Some traditional sweets are simple but unforgettable. Today I am making Goan banana mandos. Soft, gently sweet, and filled with the comforting flavor of ripe bananas. These are the kind of homemade treats that make tea time feel special. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Here I have 1 cup of Goan parboiled rice. I washed it 3 times with water, then I soaked it overnight. In the morning I again rinsed it with water. Now I am transferring the rice into a mixer jar. Add little water. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Then peel 3 ripe bananas. Cut the bananas and add it to the mixer jar. Ripe bananas are perfect for this recipe because they give natural sweetness and flavor. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Now we will transfer this into a large bowl. We will keep this aside for now. Now in the same mixer jar we will add 1.5 cup of grated coconut. Next I am adding half cup of chopped palm jaggery, half cup of chopped sugarcane jaggery. I am adding little water, some chopped cashew nuts. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Now we will transfer the coconut and jaggery mixture into the bowl. Mix this. Next goes in half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt to as per your taste, some chopped cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. We will mix this well. The mixture should come together nicely, not too thick and not too runny. Grease a mold with clarified butter. Pour the mixture into it. Smoothen the mixture on top like this. Tap the mold a few times. I steamed the mandos for 1 hour. Insert a skewer. If it comes out clean, then the mandos is ready. Once the Mandos cools, unmold onto a plate. Look at this beautiful banana Mandos. Soft, gently sweet and full of banana flavor. The texture is perfect. Simple homemade sweets like this always feel so special. They are perfect for tea time. And just like that, our Goan banana Mandos is ready. Soft, flavorful and comforting. A perfect homemade sweet for tea time or whenever you feel like enjoying something traditional. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Noila Creations for more simple and delicious recipes. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.